I'm in the bowl. Pour the milk. There we go. What's up, Swagner Network? Welcome back for yet again another travel vlog. We have officially ended our Colorado expedition. We are on our way back to California, but we couldn't pass Moab without stopping in. Top radar has been going off for a hot minute. Coming in clutch.
We must pay homage to him.
The Razor's just cruising down the street. Dude's like 90 years old, just cruising a Razor down the street. Made it to Moab. Although we have no idea where we're going, so we're gonna go ahead and talk to this local UTV dealer.
There's like 5 minutes away is Sandflats. That's gonna have a couple options.
Oh, High Point Hummer and ATV Tour Rentals. Come see them if you come to Moab. They're super helpful. Give us all the information we needed. And they've got rentals if you don't have any toys of your own. So usually there's a $5 fee to get in and play in the Razor and dirt bikes, but today there's a special anniversary going on and we don't have to pay. Talk about a good day. These guys are out here all the way from Oregon riding Groms.
We taped some foam on the seats to make it a little bit easier on our
Yeah, because the seats.
Oh, is that literally what you guys did?
Yeah.
You taped foam on there?
Tape foam on there.
Oh, that's nice.
So
Smart.
we hit Slick Rock yesterday, and by the time we got done, I mean, we're walking bow-legged.
Yeah.
Just feet.
Yeah, I bet, dude. I got to meet one of my Instagram followers out here in the middle of nowhere, man. That's so awesome. Seriously, that is so awesome. Small world, right? Look at that view! Oh my God. What's up, guys? Bicyclists. Oh, here we go. He's gonna attempt the hill. You can do it! Hit that low gear. Put it in 4-wheel! What do you guys think about this photo shot? A little sketch, but... Whoa! Definitely hotter out here in Moab. Elliot's feeling it. Surprised he's not riding shirtless yet. 1 second you're in this like beautiful soft sand, and the next you're on nothing but rock. Moab is like one of the coolest places I've ever been to, hands down. Hands down. Even if you don't have a toy, you can rent a toy. If you don't have the money to rent a toy, bring a mountain bike. There's tons of people out here mountain biking. All I know is I'm in love. Tell me that ain't the damn prettiest thing you ever seen.
Yeah, I was about to get a picture.
Oh my God, no way. Oh, another picture spot. Coming up on the river like this, you can't turn down for a picture spot. Oh my gosh, Moab is beautiful, people. If you have not been yet, you need to go. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I need to check this bad boy out first. So this is Hell's Gate. Oh yeah, dude.
So yeah, once you start, you're pretty much committed.
All right, I think we're gonna go for it.
Look like, is it steep or?
It's steep, but I think we're gonna go for it. So we just came down Hell's Gate, but now we gotta go back up Hell's Gate. Down was easy. I think up's gonna be a whole nother story. Oh! Ryan to the rescue. Hell's Gate got him. Dude, this is even hard on foot. No,
It looked like it was a hard hill.
it is a hard hill, dude.
Dude, whew, I'm exhausted.
104 degrees out here. Moab, Utah. United States, ridiculously hot. Oh my god. What, you think I was gonna hit you? Really? You guys both thought I was gonna hit him. Found the famous bowl, and it is steep as hell. Need a 4-seater razor if you're even gonna think about hitting that. So we got 2 bowls, and we found the mini one, which is totally 2-seater razor capable, I hope. Woo! I'm in the bowl. Pour the milk. There we go. Headed up to the Moab famous arch. You can't see it, but the parking lot's like 2 miles that way. This arch had better be worth it. I'm out of breath. I'm hungry. My stomach hurts. Walking up this crazy hill. Oh my god. Past the 90-year-olds, watching them do it easy. Let's go. Hello.
Hello, almost there.
Almost? Thank God. People are piling out like ants. We are literally walking on a mountainside. Just carved in to the side of this cliff.
I'd rather die.
Look at all these people. Oh wow.
She's so cute. But it's so true. It never changed.
Made it out to the arch. Let's see. 1.5 mile hike. Exactly 1.5 miles. Oh snap. Almost right under the arch. Could you imagine if a concert was down there in the middle? Right? I bet some people are sketched out to walk this in the day. Try walking it at night. Literally walking the cliffside. Look at all those phone lights. Trail of phone lights coming down. Made it back to the truck. It is exactly 3 miles. Whoa! Made it back to the truck. Ow! I got that on video. I literally just ate shit on a rock. I didn't even see it. I wrecked myself on that rock.
Yeah, I'm trying to dirt bike hella good, but because you can't walk that good.
Rock 1, Ryan 0. Gonna get some grub at the Moab Brewery. So I changed my meal to what Elliot had after seeing it. Oh my god. We got the burger over here. Mine came. All satisfied. Ryan 1. Elliot 0. What is that? How are you full, dude? You didn't even touch it. Princess Elliot. Good morning. Whoa, all you beautiful people. Almost ate crap again. Had another leg mess up. We're just waking up in Utah. Gonna grab some food at the Tangerine Eatery. It claims it's the best place in town. Open for business. Look at these pancakes. Look at this, all of these pancakes looking crazy. Got the tradition over here. The Cubana. The Cubenzi Cubana. No mess with him, man. Price, Utah, where the price is right. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the Moab video. It's been an awesome 8 days. I wish it didn't go by as fast as it did, but on our way back home now with the gang.
Got our coffee.
Yeah, I got coffee to go. And I got a nice 11-hour drive ahead of us. Woohoo! Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you, and I hope you enjoy the content. If you do, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys, love you. Almost to the Utah-Nevada border on our way back. We have one little dilemma. Oh, right as I start recording, we start running out of gas. We're literally running out of gas. Alright, time to pull over.
Oh my god.
Oh, we're running out of gas. In the middle of nowhere!
No, we got Elliot. We're not all out of gas.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, you know, just on the side of the highway. Running out of gas. No big deal. I'm on the side of the road, too. In the middle of nowhere. Thank God for power sports and carrying extra gas for those toys, because we'd be screwed. So like 20 miles until the next town, maybe even 25.
Yep.
So we're gonna pour this whole 5-gallon drum in here. Stop on the way home. Fireworks. Battle Mountain, Nevada. Elliot!
What?
I was just about to show everybody your fireworks.
Put them away.
Oh, let's see them. Show
Well,
the
I'll
size.
show the big one.
Yeah, that's all we want to
That's
see.
the most important one.
That's literally all we want to see.
We got some flying bees.
But we got this.
See the ring
Yeah.
Katie just what?
I know, it'll go with my outfit.
Wow.
Oh, what a jerk. So we may or may not have blown a tire. What do you guys think? Yeah. Thank God for spares, right?
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's been like that for a minute.
I thought it felt different, dude. I was literally like, oh, this feels different. Yeah, you can say that guy is toast. Alright, got everything realigned. We got a new plaque as our spare tire. But good thing is we're back on the road.